This is code.org. Time to make art. Ooh, I see code. I hit run. Oh, it broke. You broke it, other person. Can't be me. Okay, just kidding. See what happens when you repeat the code from the last puzzle 30 times instead of 3. Ah, so I should have read. Tricky. Boom. Alright, let's try that again. Whoa, that was fast. Okay. Feel free to make your lines any color or pattern for some extra. Oh, we just get to do whatever? Cool. Ooh, I want a pattern. I'm gonna set a pattern here. Nah, not that one. Brick. Whoa, I can't even tell what that is. Maybe I'll do a color. Red. Haha, that's fun. Okay, and then... Look at this. So this is going to be cool. Notice set random. Now if I do it up here, ooh, I want to do random for sure. If I do it up here and I set it to random, boom, it's only going to set that color once at the top, right? Because this will only run once. However, if I put it in here, the repeat runs 30 times. So now every line, it should pick a different random color. Ha! That's definitely my favorite. The difference between setting it once at the top and setting variables multiple times. Cool. Onward.